Meaning of gripe water.
Gripe water.
Gripe water.
Gripe water.
Gripe water. Gripe water is a liquid supplement commonly given to infants to relieve gastrointestinal discomfort and colic. It typically contains a combination of herbs, such as fennel, ginger, and chamomile, which are believed to help soothe the digestive system. The exact composition of gripe water may vary depending on the manufacturer and region. However, it is generally considered safe for infants and is available over the counter in most countries. Some studies have suggested that gripe water may be effective in reducing crying time and improving sleep in infants with colic, although more research is needed to confirm these findings.